Do you have a Leigh product and want to see a free instructional video on it? Here's how you can do that. Start by going to leightools.com. Under the Support tab, choose Instructional Videos and User Guides. This takes you to a page that lists all of our products. Simply find your gear and click the link. You can watch the complete video or jump ahead to any chapter you want. Leigh instructional videos are straightforward, in-depth, step-by-step demonstrations of how to use your jig. They explain everything from setup and safety to advanced routing techniques that make the job easier. And we regularly revise and create new videos to keep you up to date and informed about your Leigh jig.